Hi guys, good morning. So today we'll be doing a quick fabric shopping. I have some projects to run for my clients, so we'll be going fabric shopping. So come with me as I go to one of the biggest fabric markets in Lagos, Oshodi actually. So I'm about leaving the house now. Yep. Just wearing a black shirt, jeans, and a pair of slippers. Yeah, so this is the outfit for today. A pair of jeans, black shirt, and that's pretty much it. Some of the markets now. I was honestly not expecting the market to be this crowded on a Monday. I barely had time to record anything. You can tell by the first clip, I was already tired by the time I hit the market. So this was me at my first stop. I had to make a video of the fabric so I could run it by my clients and get their okay. But I had to also go to another shop to check some of the fabric they had, and I wasn't all that impressed with these ones. So I went back to the first shop and I got what I wanted. I needed a premium direct crepe fabric because of the design. And next up was actually a very good long-time customer of mine. I've known him since 2022 and I've been buying fabrics from him. He sells one of the best crepes around the market, and the last time I was here he wasn't around, so we did some catching up and then I proceeded to the next shop. This other shop is actually for him, but they sell just Mikado, brocade, and other high-end fabric. So I wanted to get 5 yards of burnt orange Mikado, but they didn't have up to 5 yards, so I just got black and then I went to another shop to just get the rest. So I'm at the sports shop and I'm so tired. I'm insanely tired at this point, but I got a bit of what I need and I'm almost done. This is the last fabric I'm getting. I'm at the shop and we're done. There's some in my bag too and then I'm done. My leg was on fire. You see, one thing about market runs, you will walk. You will walk and because you can't just go to one shop and get what you want. You have to move, you have to walk. So I made a quick stop at David Wedge to pick up a couple of boxes, and after that I'll be going home. Today was so stressful. So we're done with market runs and I'm heading home. I made sure I got everything I went to the market to purchase. Yep. These designs are so lovely. They look so good and it's premium.
You see what I'm talking about, Abby? So you see the glasses just there. Remove the glasses, you see how your face will change. That's why I told you smile. Smile. You just let the frustration. You don't forget to say you do vlog. No, it is time to let go back to our weakness, but I rather keep my evidence with them from my own side. But to the turn of the smart time to and not the money you can do. Look at that, who get money back.
That's why we can never come back. what? Ew, my chocolates fit home on me.
I look harassed.
Maybe you are. Maybe you are.
Why you don't ask? Ready for the time I could write my books. Girl, I could have swear that I held you back. Maybe I could show you. Summertime, you my favorite. I see all the things I couldn't see clearly before. Could it be the way
That's it for this vlog. Thank you guys for coming with me, and please please subscribe, tell me what you want to see on this channel, and I'll try and bring it to reality. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.